you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. Salome, say hi.
Hi.
And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having Salome on our YouTube channel, for a transformation, hair and makeup transformation. I know a lot of you guys will be like, I don't understand this thumbnail. Is this real that we are cutting off this hair, ladies' hair? Is this real that we are cutting this lady's hair? Sure, that's exactly what we are doing today on this channel, guys. So this beautiful model volunteered to be on our YouTube channel today. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hit on notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to
guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad's YouTube channel also.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, Salome, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. Guys, actually we're just thinking about what content to come out with. I told you guys that we'll be having some Indian bridal transformation, Kerala and stuff like that. Sure, I got you guys. Don't just say, Miss Muhammad, Mary J. Black, you all said that you were having some Indian transformation on this channel, Pakistan transformation on this channel, and why is it that you're coming with all this content? Trust you guys, trust us, we got you. Just that we're trying to make the content to be so light. It's gonna be what? Light. So we'll be having this very transformation. I'm so happy because definitely a lot of you guys on this channel love long hair, while there's a lot of you guys on this channel that love short hair. So we'll try the best we can to make everybody happy on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe. We love you guys. So guys, this is how our market looks like. For those of you that don't know how market looks like, this is how our market looks like. So now we need to go get the outfit for this model for today, like an Ankara. I don't know why, but I just don't like making a transformation without a new outfit. So I need to get a new outfit for this model. So you all should please stay tuned. I love you guys. Mamun.
Na.
Yawwa. Ba da kuɗin.
Ba ka gane ba.